Hello, MacSeeker here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Plugger straight shaft for the Minelab Excalibur II. The package came roughly in 5 days to Finland. Shipping was not bad. I also got the knob guard for the detector, and without further ado, let's open the box with my trusty MacGyver knife. I have no idea what the video looks like right now, but let's see after the unbox. Okay, I think I opened it from the wrong end. Yes, as usual. Okay, this looks better. Okay, lots of bubble wrap, which is good. Okay, first part. And the second part, and I think this is where we have the knob guard. Yep. Okay, these are some Velcro. I think this is the pad for the arm cuff. Arm cuff is, I think it's aluminum. Pretty decent looking cuff. And the knob guard, aluminum too, very light, very lightweight knob guard. Okay, this is the lower part of the shaft. Shaft lock looks pretty nice. Let's see how it fits together. Okay, that's there. Tighten it up. Oh yeah, that's real good, really good. Feels quite different than the stock shaft. Okay, so this is what you get with the straight shaft, and this is what you get with the stock shaft. Yeah. Okay, let's take this thing apart and try to fit everything together. So battery comes off. And the control housing comes off. Notice the sand that's built up in there. I didn't wash the detector after the use, so you really should do it every time. Let's take this coil off. The shaft is the two-part travel shaft, and the price was $105, and the knob guard was $35, and you really should get one, since you only need to drop it once and you may lose some buttons. But yeah, some sand. Okay. Coil cable is pretty messed up right now. Okay, so I need the lower shaft from the stock shaft, so let's get that there. Okay, let's try to put it in its place. Okay, let's see the length. Way too long for me. This straight shaft offers more adjustments for the length of the lower shaft. So this one has 6 points and the stock shaft only has 3 points of adjustment. So this is better in that regard anyway. I like to hunt with a short shaft, and this looks pretty good to me. Tighten this up. Okay. The control housing is mounted with these nylon bolts, pretty much identical with the coil mounting bolt. Get this sand away. The knob guard is mounted along with the control housing, so it should look like something like that, and the knob guard would go there. Okay. Let's put these there. Like so. And the knob guard, like so. Little bit of tightness, yeah. Okay. Well, the balance is very different now. It's obviously more heavy in the other end as you would think. Okay. So now we okay, let's mount the battery. Okay, that has to be adjusted a little bit. Okay, that's in there. Okay. Okay. Battery cable back in. Like so. Then it's just a matter of getting the coil cable neatly around the shaft. Which is always easier said than done. I hate this part of the installation. The coil cable is so much more it's not so flexible as the Garrett Sea Hunter coil cable, so it's pretty difficult to wind this up here, but especially on camera. But let's try to do this somehow. Okay. Put that there. And the coil bolt. Like so. Okay. So now, okay, and as you may have known, I put the coil in backwards. Haha. I don't know why I always mess this part up. but I do every time. Okay. Yeah, let's do it this way. Okay. Somewhere along the lines there, like so. Okay, well, now the balance is quite good. A lot better than the stock shaft. It feels somewhat heavy though. I'm not used to this yet, but we'll just have to try it in the water and see how well it performs. And this was the video, unboxing / assembly video for the Plugger 2-part travel straight shaft for the Excalibur II. And by the way, you can get these rods from www.rodsbyplugger.com.